Are Chinky? What are you doing, Chinky boy?
Seriously?
Ching chong.
Here we go again.
Ching chong. Chinky. Chinky. Ching chong. Ching chong. Ching chong. Ching chong. Are bhai. Let's be peaceful, alright?
Shut your bitch ass up. Get your ass down.
Okay. Let me cooperate with you.
Down. I'm finna show you something.
Keep that knife away.
That gonna change everything. Don't flinch.
Asia. South Asia.
This is where we live. This is where you live. And it's part of the Asia continent. It's part of the fucking Asia continent, and that makes you Asian as well, motherfucker. Who's this Ching Chong now, huh? So how's it like being a Ching Chong now, bitch? You're a Chinky as well, motherfucker.
I didn't take my wife. Please don't make me Chinky. Take my wife. Take my wife. Also take the bike, the black one. I took it from her as dowry. But please don't make me Chinky. Please don't make me Chinky, please.